Ferrari PUROSANGUE 2023 to 2024. Ferrari has done the unthinkable and built an SUV. It is considered a hyper-SUV. Higher off the ground, with 4 doors and enough space for people and luggage that it's suitable on long trips, it's fair to say there's never been a car like this in Ferrari's 75-year history. The engine remains special despite the departures elsewhere, of course. The Ferrari PUROSANGUE drives brilliantly. It's incredibly fast. It's a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12, packing 715 horsepower and 528 pound-feet of torque, while an 8-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive help it zip to 62 miles per hour in 3.3 seconds. The top speed is just a hair over 192 miles per hour. Which in kilometers per hour means 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 3.3 seconds, 0 to 200 kilometers per hour in an insane 10.6 seconds, and poised, while also delivering a driving experience befitting of any V12 Ferrari that has come before. It weighs 2,033 kilograms. It's hard to really feel that heft as you transition the forces of inertia and gravity from side to side. The Urus concept came out at the 2012 Beijing Motor Show, with deliveries commencing in 2018. Ferrari on the other hand, begun working on the PUROSANGUE in 2017, so the good folks at Maranello anticipated the market change well in advance of any sales success from their natural nemesis. Pricing. The price of the Ferrari PUROSANGUE starts at $398,350 in the US, and to maintain exclusivity, the PUROSANGUE will be at most 20% of all Ferraris produced in a year, just over 2,500 units, based on current productivity, drawing on the options list. However, it doesn't take much to even surpass the $480,000 mark by leaps and bounds, double the price of a rival like the Lamborghini Urus. Ferrari has created a true supercar experience for 4, with an ideal blend of performance, luxury and comfort. The Italians have hit the core balance of an SUV's fundamental needs without compromising on the brand's supercar promise. Not many car companies can charge about $1 million for an SUV and then still turn people away because demand is stratospheric. Then again, not many car companies are Ferrari. Exterior. It has a bespoke aluminium structure with a huge engine in the front, and there are only 4 seats inside what is the Italian car maker's first 5-door car. It sits lower to the ground than all its rivals, too. The PUROSANGUE is 62.6 inches tall at roof level, which is less than rivals like the Lamborghini Urus, Aston Martin DBX, Porsche Cayenne, or even this Ferrari's countryman, the Alfa Romeo Stelvio Quattrofoglio and Maserati Levante. Ground clearance doesn't climb much beyond those of a typical sports sedan either, with 7.3 inches. That's a whole 2.3 inches more than a BMW M5 CS. The large transmission tunnel that runs through the cabin and will eventually also be used for packaging batteries for the hybrid and BEV versions of the car that Ferrari insiders refuse to confirm or deny are coming. Interior. The PUROSANGUE is the first Ferrari in history to have rear doors. They open rearward and up at a 79-degree angle and use electric motors. The functionality is dramatic for passers-by and convenient for getting passengers in and out of the 2 electrically adjustable, heated, ventilated bucket seats. The PUROSANGUE will comfortably accommodate 4 6-foot adults, with head, knee, and foot room to spare for the rear seat passengers. They'll all have to travel with soft bags if a long trip is in the cards. However, the rear load space is shallow, and offers a relatively modest, mid-size sedan-like 16.7 cubic feet of capacity. Unsurprisingly, this Ferrari has the largest trunk in the brand's history. In the front, the PUROSANGUE stands out due to the lack of a central infotainment screen. All the information goes to the twin 10.2-inch displays, one of which lives in front of the driver and the other in front of the passenger. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto work via the